Hello and welcome to PlaySmoothPiano. Today you guys are going to learn a song by Usher and it's called Can You Handle It? Now this song is actually a little older, but the piano is really nice in here. I think it's a Fender Rhodes keyboard. It sounds real soulful. I've always wanted to learn how to play this, so thanks for the request because now I have an excuse to learn it. It's actually pretty fun playing too. So what we're going to do, let's jump into this. It's what you're gonna do in the right hand. I'll show you the main chords. You're playing an E and an A. So this is what you're doing. You're gonna hold the E, play an A, play a B, and then play a C. So it's next thing you're gonna do. Play this arpeggio. It's G, B, D, and a G, and then land on this F minor, or actually that's the F major. So doing it again, it's and I'll show you some of the notes that go in between as well, but that's the main chord. Those are the main chords in the song, or at least in the first part of the song. So you do that a couple times. On the third time around, you're not going to play the G up here. You're just going to play a G major, then an F major. And let me show you what the left hand is doing so we can put it together. Your left hand is basically playing A, B, C, E, and then a D. So putting it all together. You can play an F and then a D to jump into the next part of the loop. This is the second time around. You can play a B and then play the D in the left, but add an A up here. So this is the second time around. Right hand. You're playing an F, E, C, F, A, F. Third time around. Fourth time around. And that's pretty much the first part of the song where he's doing the verse. Now during the bridge, what you're gonna do is you're gonna jump down an octave. So when you listen to the song, you'll notice that after he does the fourth loop that we kind of repeated over and over, he's going to jump down here. You're going to play octave G's in your right or in your left. And you're going to play a G, B, D, and a G in the right. So it's play octave A's in the left. And then A, C, D, and a G. I'll show you. I'm just showing you the main chords now. So it's finally you're gonna play this chord here. It's you're playing octave D's in the left, and then an F, A, C, D, E in the right. That's a 5-note chord. Then you're gonna play F in the right, or in the left. Right hand's playing a D and an F, so you're playing a D and an F, E and a G, then an F and a G, or F and an A. So D F actually, E G, F A. Then do this chord again. Third time around, you can just play a G, B, D, so just a G major. Actually, it's G major, A minor, and then that chord you learned earlier. Do that again. Fourth time around, G major in the right, A minor in the right, land here. Now this is what you're going to do. So I'm playing a C, B, A, and I'm playing them as octaves. A flat, B, then I'm playing an A, C, E, and an A an octave higher. Your right hand, let's see. Your right hand's going to play the same notes but just an octave lower. So I'm playing a C, B, A flat, B, then an A, but I'm playing that an octave lower. So when I land on the A, then I'm going to play a B, then I'm going to play a C. So I'm going to walk up. If you can't see the left hand, when you land on that A, play a B, then play a C. So I'll play both hands together. It's play E, then play a G, B, E, while you play the B in the left, then play a C. So I'll do that again. It's then start from the very top. So those are the main chords. Everything else in between is kind of embellishments. You can play the same notes over that you played before. So for example, in the bridge, you can let go of the chord and play just the A. So it's then play the octave Ds, just to kind of spice it up. And what else? That's pretty much it. If you have any other questions for that particular song, you can always shoot me an email, but those are the main chords. It sounds beautiful. I'm using a Motif XS, and I'm using one of the electric keyboard sounds. So if you're curious.